All right, we're gonna get us some fire going here, get some charcoal going on our Lodge Sportsman grill. We're gonna have some Sportsman grill pork chops today. So, all right, well, we got some little breakfast pork chops here. Get them flies off of it. All I'm gonna put on it is a little SPGO, actually, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. I got my Lodge Sportsman grill heating up here. Got the grate grease down, a little bacon grease, got some charcoal in that, pretty hot charcoal. So we're gonna get ready and get these pork chops salted up and seasoned up. And the only thing we're gonna put on them is a little bit of Kraft Original. That's what my wife likes, so you know, I'm gonna keep her happy if I can. So here we go. All right, we got them on the grill here. We got them seasoned up with some SPGO, and we're gonna let these babies start to cook here. And as soon as they start grilling down real good, we'll add a little Kraft Original to it, and we'll be right back. All right, well, we got these dudes turned over, and we put a little barbecue sauce on, kind of got that mopped on there a little bit. Gonna let these dudes grill a little bit longer, and we'll probably flip them over and sauce them one more time, and that's about it with these little old thin breakfast pork chops. So, oh yeah, those are looking right there. Okay, I got my Insta-Read thermometer out here. Stab one of these pork steaks here, pork chops, and see what they're doing. That one there is ready for sure. 175, 180. That's a little hot. We're gonna pull them off. My wife likes them a little charred, so I did that. So they are a little charred, but they're not dried out. We're gonna get these pulled and we'll get it plated up. Okay, folks, there we have it. Lodge cast iron Sportsman grill pork steaks. Let's give one of them a try. Now, these are so good, I'm not even gonna cut them. You know, I'm from the South, Mid-South, so we eat with our fingers a lot. Pardon me while I try it out. Look at that. Didn't take long with these little thin breakfast steaks, breakfast pork chops on the Lodge Sportsman grill. Boy, it done them pork chops right. Little old Sportsman grill, the grate's not very far from the charcoal. You get the heat right up there next to them. You can get a good little char on them if you want. Add your barbecue sauce or whatever you're putting on it. Just be sure and watch them. Don't let them burn up or anything. And take your little Insta-Read thermometer or whatever and test them out and make sure they come up to the temperature you want. And then enjoy the fruits of your labor, amen. All right, hey, appreciate you guys. If you like what we're doing, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment, tell us what you think about these pork steaks or pork chops, and we'll be coming back to you again soon. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. Y'all have a great day. We're gonna eat these pork steaks, pork chops.